Jumbo loans. What are jumbo loans and what are the limits, or where do jumbo loans start in 2023? So did you know that jumbo loans, they're really known as non-conforming loans. They don't conform to the conventional guidelines. They're non-conforming. They've also been nicknamed jumbo loans. So jumbo loans, it means when I think of jumbo, I think of big, right? So they're very big loans, more than the national average. So jumbo loans will start at a certain point. So I'm going to put that chart up on the screen. So for 2023, these are the limits of the conforming loans, which when you look at the limit, if you go $1 over that, that's where the jumbo loans start. So for those of you that are buying a home in the higher price ranges, any loan amount above the amounts that I have on the screen, so if you're buying a single family residence in an average area, which is most of the country, is kind of an average median home price, that limit is $726,200. So anything above that as a loan amount would be considered jumbo. Now it's different for 2, 3, and 4 unit properties. And moreover, if you're in a high cost area, it's even higher still. That's in the column on the right. So what are jumbo loans? Why are they different? Why do they matter? So jumbo loans are considered to be higher than the national average. They usually, in most cases, will have more strict guidelines. There's more money at stake. There's more oversight that is needed, more attention to the detail of how people qualify. So usually, not always, a 20% down payment's required. Most of the time reserves, meaning money that's left over after closing, is required, normally about 12 to 18 months. So if you take your housing payment, let's say your housing payment is $10,000 a month, you usually need about 12 months of reserves for most programs, okay? You need about 12 months of reserves somewhere to know that if you can't make your mortgage payment, or you change your job, or you lose your job, that you're going to be able to float the mortgage for a while. So jumbo loans have more strict guidelines on credit, more strict guidelines on assets, higher down payment requirements, and they're also non-forgiving on paperwork. Jumbo loans, more often than not, do not take corners on paperwork. So just be prepared. We've got another video that we'll post here at the end of this video about documentation and what kind of documentation to expect when you get a mortgage loan. And so you can watch that at a later date. So thank you for watching the channel. I'm Jennifer Hernandez, loan officer for 27 years. Real facts, no BS. If you're liking the channel, please subscribe.